If you're receiving alimony after a divorce, it's possible to lose that alimony if you begin living with another person. The way the law is in Florida, alimony is calculated based upon need and the ability to pay. It is not simply an entitlement that you receive as a result of being married for a while. That's not how it works. You actually have to have a need for the money. And if that need goes away, then the money's going to go away. If you are receiving alimony, but you go out and you jumpstart your career and you start making a bunch of money and you're doing well guess what? You don't need alimony anymore. You might still want it, but you don't need it. And in that case, the spouse who's paying alimony could modify based upon your new income and have the alimony terminated. Another common way we see this is when a spouse after a divorce is receiving alimony and they go and they shack up with somebody, start dating, they meet somebody new, and they move in together and they're sharing the rent, they're sharing expenses. And after a year goes by, the spouse who's paying alimony can modify to terminate the alimony because now you're living in a house with somebody else contributing to the bills and you don't need the alimony anymore. You still want it, but you don't need it in that case. So alimony is not always permanent. In fact, according to a new 2023 law, alimony is almost never permanent. But then even if you're awarded alimony for 10 years, your spouse could modify and terminate it if you start making more money or if you start living with somebody or if your expenses go down and you no longer need it.